Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Grammarly in iPhone keyboard. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to download Grammarly from App Store. So you can easily download it from App Store and get it from there. So here in this mobile, I have already downloaded Grammarly. So just now, I need to go to Safari here in the settings. Just search for settings. So here scroll down a bit until you find Safari here. So here it is. So in here you can see extension in the down below. Just click on this and here Grammarly for Safari is off. So just click on this and turn it on or allow extension. So right after that you can search for keyboard here and click on this. So in the top you can see keyboards. Just click on this and here you can see English, US, emoji, Grammarly. So just select to Grammarly and here allow full access and allow. So now go to this sign which is of the world. Just click on this and here you can see Grammarly. So in this way, you can just enable Grammarly in iPhone keyboard. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.